education, real estate, automobile sector, textile, and in the areas of agriculture and allied industries. One of India's fastest growing states, Karnataka offers numerous opportunities to the foreign investors, and the following major areas have been identified for investments in Karnataka. Basically, energy, ports, aviation, expressways, metro, healthcare, tourism, quality professional education, infrastructure development, IT and PT, research and scientific pursuit. The government of Karnataka, as one of its policy initiatives, set up Non-Resident Indian Forum, which I head, to act as a single point of reference to address issues concerning interests of a large diaspora spread all over the world. The forum, with its website www.nriforumkarnataka.org, is providing information on socio-economic activities of Karnataka state and its development. The NRI Forum is facilitating investors among NRIs in setting up their ventures in the state. The main aim of NRI Forum is to be assisting NRIs in their many requirements in India as well as abroad. The NRI Forum also hopes to draw on the knowledge reservoir of diaspora spread over the world for its development of the state. In close association with the Knowledge and Skill Commission of the state and Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs, we propose to establish a migration facilitation center in few important places like Bangalore, Mangalore and Hubli, with an aim to provide pre-immigration assistance to large young population seeking employment abroad. Since its inception, NRI Forum has been receiving a number of representations relating to issues like tracing of missing persons abroad, cheating committed by the recruiting agents, illegal recruitment, providing assistance to set up industrial units, solar projects, tourism projects in the state, repatriation of the stranded, providing education facilities to the children of NRIs, land disputes, introduction of more flights, etc. All the representations received are meticulously examined and followed up with the concerned authorities in the state government or government of India or abroad. The workshop and training for vocational education under skill upgradation scheme is being considered in association with the Knowledge and Skill Commission as well as Labour Ministry all over the state. Skill upgradation programs focuses on upgrading the skill of young workforce to meet the challenges of the overseas employment market. The program aims to bring knowledge, functional expertise and a practical approach to building core competence levels among job seekers. The NRI Forum also proposes to request non-resident Indians to be of assistance in our efforts to improve the quality of life in the interior rural parts of Karnataka. In this regard, I would like to make an earnest appeal to all of you to join us in our efforts by partnering in school adoption scheme, adoption of health centers, adoption of temples or adoption of villages and such other schemes. I also take this opportunity to thank our NRIs who have contributed generously to the victims of the recently flood-affected areas in northern part of Karnataka. We assure you all that the state government is investor-friendly and will deliver things to your level of expectations. The state government is also holding Global Investors Meet 2010 during June 3rd and 4th, 2010. I would like to extend a warm welcome to everyone of you participating in this Global Investor Meet, which is being held in Bangalore. With these words, introductory words, I once again offer our heartiest welcome to everyone who is present here. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
There will be a screening of audio, visual or investment opportunities in Karnataka. After that, our Minister will be giving a special address.
This is the story of the land and its people, whose passion for trade can be traced back to the earliest of civilizations. Ancient trade documents and writings of early travelers